something. I'll convert it into a portfolio.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Railfan here. Today we're at Bethpage, Long Island. This is where the Long Island Railroad is. Long Island Railroad is the M7, the M30ACs, the E30s, and C3 cab cars all run here. The Montauk line and the Ronkonkoma line. This is where we are. There's two crossings around this area, and this is a good place to Railfan. This is Railfan Jalen. Let's get this show on the road. Sounds like we got an M7 heading eastbound. And he's eastbound to Ronkonkoma. There goes the crossings. You want to see me do the thing? All right. Right here. Here comes the M7. Hang on, I put my tripod down a little bit. There he goes, all the way to Ronkonkoma. Crossings, can you all go up? Yeah, there ain't a second train coming. There you go. Go up. Also, guys, there's also workers on the tracks, which I can't even see what they're doing, but this is really cool. Look at all the action. School buses, cars. This is so much fun. Oops, my bad. Didn't mean, forgot to zoom in. Oh yeah. It's trucker time. Hey guys, you can basically say you cannot see the timetable, but the next train coming to Penn Station is 35 minutes, and the Ronkonkoma is 38 minutes. Man, that's a long time. It's like there's nothing here, but you know, there's literally some express trains that goes around here, like the Montauk line, and some Ronkonkoma trains that actually does not stop here. So we can try to hope we can catch those type of trains because, well, they don't run very often, even including the deadheads. I hope I can catch a Greenport Scott, but I don't think that's possible. Let's hope. All right, well, let's do a little bit of fun exploring. All right, just letting you know, there's literally just two. Oh my God! Actually, this tripod. Give me a second. Tripod. Whoa! What kind of car is that? What kind of car is that? Okay. Anyway, there's two crossing around here. Stewart Avenue and the one all the way over there. If you guys can't see, this one right up there. All right. I'll give you a close angle of the crossing. I check my back just in case there's any trains, because I know some trains can be sneaking up sometimes. See, this is kind of what the crossing looks like. See? And there's a sign said, warning, second train coming. It will actually activate when there's another train coming. When a train, yep. They meant to say like 2 trains. That's when it activates when there's 2 trains coming. There's a lot of parking around this area. See? There's a lot of parking. I'm not kidding. Even right up there. All right, let's walk a little bit of the train station. We're gonna get back to the spot because I like the place where we can just hear the horns from the crossing. That's the exit. If you want to take the exit to the parking lot. And there's another one too. Keep walking. I really would prefer to take shade here because there's really not much shade around Bethpage. Not much trees. The ticket booth right over there. I forgot to show you guys that. Bench right there. And also don't try to smoke in here. Don't be like an alcoholic and drug. Oh my gosh, stupid tripod. I keep kicking it. Maybe I can just make it a little more shorter, just in case for... Give me guys a second. Oh my God. The tripod is just messing things up. There we go. That's better. All right. Still more parking around here. Train timetable over there, up there. Another one right on the right. Platform B, and that's platform A, I guess. Is it? Yeah, platform A. Watching my back just in case there's any train coming because I don't want to miss any. The MTA police right up there. Another exit if you're going to the neighborhood over there. The houses. Alright, this is amazing. I don't know if I went here before. Yeah, I did last time, but we didn't stay here for like so long. We only catch like a few M7s and a few M9s. And we had to head home because I know the family does not like to stay here so long. I all know that. Yeah, this place is amazing because I know that Mineola and also New Hyde Park had lost all the crossings. I don't know about Westboro, but this place has a few crossings left. A few crossings left. And this is the only place I can leave Railfan where there's crossings. Let's do it. Alright, we're almost to the end. The MTA. Okay, I think we made it at the end. 12 MU. That's the Railroad Avenue. That's Railroad Avenue Street. If you want to get off the station. Yeah, all the way up there, you gotta go to Hicksville. Or you can just transfer to the Port Jefferson. I gotta say, this is what the place looks like at the station. More truckies. I mean, gosh, this place is so awesome. I'm so shocked. Like, this is amazing. Just like Mineola, but this place has 2 crossings. But sadly, the crossings were actually replaced by Mineola to just change the overpasses so they can just make the 3rd rail. But this place is awesome. But there's literally just less trains around this area because this place is not that busy. But it's almost, let me see, what time is it? 4:19. So it might be a little bit of action, so you see at 6 o'clock, but that's a maybe. But all right, let's get back to the road crossing over there. Here we got something coming. Now let's get this show on the road. All right, now this is a better camera. here. Is it good? Okay, guys, now that was something. That was a deadhead. I think it's heading to New York Penn Station or Jamaica. I don't know. But but that's literally a deadhead. There's no sign of the train where it's going. This was amazing. All right, the third train for the Bethpage Railfanning. Yes. There we go. Ah, come on. He's going west.
Station. Are we on this side or on that side?
Oh, you're going the wrong side. You gotta hurry up and catch that thing.
Yeah. Seriously?
Yeah. Did you guys get a ticket?
How frequent do they pass?
40 minutes.
40?
Ooh, okay. Why not to do shaving a haircut or a crossing sequence? Alright, sure, why not? Because you're nearby. Alright, have a safe day. Man, made it on time because I was trying to buy something from the store, but I made it on time. Yeehaw! Wow, he's going fast. All right, let's go back and get my food. Hey guys, this is kind of my snack. Pizza and some trolleys. Yep, give me a second, my tripod. I'm holding so much things. Okay, we got pizza and some trolley. Because, you know, when I was in the store, I was like, wait, the train is coming. And the crossing was going down. I was like, crap, is it a diesel? And I said, no, it's just a M7. I was so lucky. I just could get there in time. Oh boy. All right, guess it's time to eat. And it's called Railfanning Snack. Let's get eating. Eastbound train to Rock. I'm just gonna call it Ronk. Alright, this is the best. Wait, that's an MP15 AC. Yes. Very good day. Yeah, yes, let's go. Yeehaw. Finally a diesel train. Woohoo! That's why it's called MP15 ACs. I didn't expect to catch that one. I think he's slowing down, but he's not like pressing the horn like much. Like he's just making a silent. Making a long blast will be great, but it's okay.
Warning, second train coming.
See, I told you.
Warning, second train coming. 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 Warning,
He's going so slowly because the MP15 AC still there. Okay, you can just turn off. Yeah, you need to turn off. Yeah, there's no more second train coming. All right, double the train, but we didn't catch a single DM30, DE30, or C3 cab car. Fine, we might not catch a C3, but it's fine. Okay, guys, we're going to the other side. No train coming. Whoa. Kraft. That's really cool. She was going fast. That was a fast one. We got like a Montauk train coming up right now. Ah, finally a DE or DM. Here it comes. Man, finally there's something coming. was fast. It really, my camera, and my tripod almost fell. Flying. Wow. Hey guys, I know I missed the Ronkonkoma train going to eastbound, but I want to thank to the T-Mobile crew all the way over there that give me a chance to charge my phone. And yes, I did have like a problem about charging my phone and just losing my battery. My phone was like 4%, and actually it got like 22% left. So there was like I have like a little bit of time for my phone to die. So I'm really lucky. I'm really happy for the T-Mobile crew. Shout them out over there at Bethpage. Look at all those birds up here. It's really a good evening for the birds to just be up there. Alright everyone, that was a really fun rail fanning. Wait until I get to the station, and I'm going to just introduce for the last time at Bethpage. Alright everyone, this is my last time going to Bethpage. Thank you so much for watching. We caught like a lot of stuff. We got the MP15 AC, DM30 ACs, and the M7s. I was wishing to get some M9s and M3s, but well, they're not coming. Well, that's what I'm gonna just say. But thank you so much for watching. I'm waiting for my train going to Penn Station, and I'm gonna go home.